hello, this is how you install a Cat6 cable in a datwyler batch panel. Okay, first of all, you start with a stripper to take the cover out of the wires. Okay, and then put the cover out, the UDP Cat6, and then cut the internal part of the wire. Okay, this is plastic supports the wires, and then separate wire from each other, put them inside. Okay, and use the color code. Okay, B color code. Okay, as shown. Then put them down. Okay, in B, which is a white, blue. Okay, in the sides, put them. Okay, easy to put. Just untwist the pair. Okay, then white, orange on the side. Okay, till you reach all the module got the wire in each pin. Okay, and then cut them down using the cutter. Okay, and then use the RJ module cover to cover it perfectly without any need to bunching tool. So it is toolless RJ Cat6 module. And then this is the batch panel. Okay, with orders of cable, dressing of the cable. Okay, and then plug it here. Okay, plug it easily in the, okay, till you hear tack sound. Okay, now it's in the patch panel. Okay, have a look into our cabinet. Okay, now that's all. Thank you.